The windshield washer fluid reservoir in both the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y is located in the front trunk or frunk on the driver's side. Specifically, it's under the frunk hood on the left for left-hand drive vehicles. Look for a plastic tank marked with washer fluid or a windshield icon for easy identification. This location provides convenient access for refills. To access the windshield washer fluid reservoir, start by opening the frunk. You can do this by pressing the frunk release button located on your Tesla key fob. Alternatively, you can use the touchscreen display inside your vehicle to open the frunk. With the frunk open, lift the hood to access the engine compartment. Make sure the hood is securely propped up before proceeding. The windshield washer fluid reservoir should now be immediately visible in the engine compartment. It's typically marked with a windshield icon or washer fluid label. Some Tesla models may have a protective cover over the reservoir cap. Simply remove it if present, though this isn't always required. Once you've located and accessed the reservoir, start by unscrewing the cap. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it safely. Carefully pour in the washer fluid. Fill until it reaches the max fill line marked on the reservoir. The reservoir typically holds about 4 to 5 liters of fluid. Avoid overfilling the reservoir. Stop when the fluid reaches the maximum line to prevent spills and potential damage. Wipe away any spills immediately to prevent corrosion of the paint and other vehicle surfaces. Securely replace the cap when finished. Make sure it's tightened properly to prevent leaks. Tesla recommends using Tesla-branded washer fluid, which you can purchase at their service centers. This fluid is specifically formulated for your vehicle's washer system and includes antifreeze to prevent freezing in cold temperatures. Alternatively, you can create your own washer fluid using a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. The alcohol helps prevent freezing and provides cleaning power, while distilled water avoids mineral deposits that could clog nozzles. In colder climates, always use premixed winter washer fluid that's rated for the expected temperatures in your area. Look for fluids that protect against freezing at -20 degrees Fahrenheit or lower to ensure reliable operation during winter months. Avoid using plain water as washer fluid. Water can freeze in the reservoir and tubing, causing the electric pump to fail or nozzles to crack. This can lead to costly repairs and reduced visibility when you need it most. As of 2025, Tesla also encourages the use of biodegradable, phosphate-free washer fluids. These eco-friendly options reduce chemical runoff into waterways and align with Tesla's commitment to sustainability. Always top up the washer fluid when your Tesla is turned off and parked on a level surface. Be careful not to spill fluid on the car's paint. If you do, wipe it off immediately. Low washer fluid levels can sometimes trigger alerts related to autopilot functionality if the system's vision is impaired. Monitor your fluid level, especially before long trips or during adverse weather conditions. If your washer fluid isn't spraying, start by checking the fluid level in the reservoir. Make sure the vehicle is parked and turned off before opening the frunk. If the reservoir is full, the problem might be clogged nozzles. Clean them gently using a pin or small needle to remove any debris or buildup. In cold weather, fluid lines or nozzles might freeze. Use a de-icer spray or park the vehicle in a warm garage to thaw them out safely. If the pump is making noise but no fluid comes out, the pump itself might be faulty. Contact a Tesla service center for diagnosis and replacement. Looking ahead, Tesla is placing greater emphasis on sustainable fluids that are environmentally friendly and biodegradable. Tesla is working toward reduced manual maintenance with potential self-filling systems or partnerships for fluid delivery services. Future models may feature AI-driven maintenance apps that predict fluid needs based on driving patterns. The overall trend is toward hands-off ownership with more integrated diagnostics in the vehicle's systems. Next-generation models might include battery-powered fluid pumps for improved efficiency and integration.